For today's meditation session, I have a very simple mantra to address this madness. It's called OM Shanti Shanti Shanti. You must have heard this word Om so many times in different contexts, from purely getting access to peace to very spiritual, esoteric descriptions of it, even religious descriptions of it. For us, what Om means as a meditator is very simple. It is a neutralizer to all the madness that we have in our head, to all the thoughts, all this uncontrolled inner articulation that is all the time going on in our head. Because if you break down this inner articulation that is all going on uncontrolled in our head, this is nothing but words in any language. And if you break down those words, it sounds. And fundamentally, in any language, there are only three primary sounds. A, U, Ma. These are the three primary fundamental sounds out of which, if you combine them, comes out a word Om, or a sound of Om. When you utter this sound of Om, when you chant this sound of Om, what happens is all the energy behind all these thoughts, these uncontrolled impressions, these uncontrolled patterns that go on in your mind, they come to rest, and the energy is absorbed by these three sounds. And for a moment, a silence is created for you. For a moment, you don't go into this madness of continuously thinking and emoting all the time. This is a moment to absorb the silence that is created out of the chant Om. How to absorb the silence? One word repeated 3 times. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Shanti means peace. Shanti means silence. It doesn't have any super specific meaning. All it serves is, when you utter the word Shanti, it indicates that now you should absorb this peace, this silence in your body, in your mind, in your spirit, core, inner being, whatever you want to call that. So very briefly, how we are going to do this meditation. For the first 3 to 5 minutes, we are going to simply be an observer of our own mind. We're going to observe our mind and witness, acknowledge, confront whatever is going on in our mind. It could be lots of thoughts, it could be work-related things, personal things, plans, ideas, whatever it is. Don't participate, don't judge, don't get frustrated. Just sit silently and witness and observe whatever is going on in your mind for 3 to 5 minutes to confront this madness that we all carry in us. Then for the next 10 minutes, we are going to chant this Om Shanti 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 as a mantra, where with every breath you will repeat with me Om, and when I say Shanti, you can remain quiet and focus on yourself. With every Shanti, you will bring your awareness to your body, to your mind, to your soul, and let that settle, let that become silent. With the first, when I say Shanti, you will bring your awareness to your body. The second time I say Shanti, you'll bring your awareness to your mind and let it rest. And the third time, when I say Shanti, you'll completely let go in silence and let your spirit, core, whatever you refer as your deepest center, also come to full stop, full rest. We'll do this for 10 minutes so that you are completely immersed in deep silence with awareness. When that has happened, would be the third stage for this meditation, which is to do nothing, which is to stop all acts and simply sit in silence with awareness. Without a word, without an act, without a thought, just sit in silence, close your eyes, and let go in silence as deep as you can. Simple 3 steps. First step, observing for 5 minutes your own mind. The next step is 10 minutes of chanting with me, Om. And the third step is to let go and be in silence as long as you like.